welcome to your music lesson this week. So we're continuing with our focus genre of rock and roll. I have a new artist that I would like you to research. She is a little bit more modern than what we've been looking at recently. You might have heard some of her songs. She has loads and loads of songs. What I want you to do is press pause now and go and research Florence and the Machine. Okay, so I want you to go and listen to some of her music. She's got lots and lots of songs. Tell me what you like, tell me what you dislike. Maybe you like some particular lyrics, some things that she says, and then you can share that with us to the emails. Okay, so we're continuing looking at number and beat, and we're going to recap on our vocabulary. So we looked at silent. You might want to see if you can put these into a sentence whilst we're talking about them. Silent. Sequence. Have you ever sequenced anything? Beat. Control. Okay, so we're going to carry on looking at the steady beat, but this time we're going to use body percussion and other percussions that you might make. Okay, if you don't have the ability to make anything, you'll just use your body. Okay, so some more vocabulary. Today's vocabulary, I've got 2 words for you. I want you to go away and find out what they mean. Okay, so the first one is chant or chant, depending on how you say it. I say chant. Okay, and then the next one, percussion. Okay, you can see here at school we would be using this type of percussion, but today I want you to make your own percussion. So I've got an example here. Okay, an example here. I have just used some pasta in a bottle. Okay, so that's some percussion I've got. I've also got a mixing bowl and a spoon. And then finally, I've got a pan, okay, and a spoon that I can use as a bit of a drum. If you don't have the ability to go and get those things, or your adults aren't helping you, that's fine. You can just clap, use your body, anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to share with you now our music lesson, and we're going to continue looking at the music that we were doing last time. It wasn't last week, 2 weeks ago. Okay, so we're going to have a listen to start with. Make this big. Hopefully this works.
Macarella, funny fella, keeps time with his feet. Macarella, funny fella, keeps time with his feet. Macarella, funny fella, keeps a steady beat. Macarella, funny fella, keeps a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isabella in the cellar keeps time with her feet. Isabella in the cellar keeps time with her feet. Isabella in the cellar keeps a steady beat. Isabella in the cellar keeps a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got the echo.
Annabella storyteller keeps time with her feet. Annabella storyteller keeps time with her feet. Annabella storyteller keeps a steady beat. Annabella storyteller keeps a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, well done for doing that. You can always rewind and watch that one again. Okay, the second activity. Okay, you've heard this one.
Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Macarella, Macarella, funny fella, never used his old umbrella, so it didn't keep him dry. Count the raindrops on his toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Fantastic. You can always go back and do that again and again and again using your different percussion instruments that you have made. Okay, you can also have a play. So I have used pasta in my bottle here to make my the raindrop sound. So you might want to have a play and see which different food items you could use, okay, to make it sound a bit more rain-like. So I've actually got a packet of cat biscuits here. And you can see that maybe sounds a bit more like rain. You might want to use rice. It's up to you. You could even try and put some water in there and see what happens. Okay, so I just want you to have a fiddle, have a play with lots of different sounds that you can hear using percussion that you've made in the house. You might even want to knock on the table. Okay, I'm going to share with you one last activity that I would like you to do. Now, I can't do this on video because of copyright reasons, but I want you to research a video, okay, and I want you to find this video, and I want you to listen to the different tempos, okay, so the speeds, okay, and if you want to play along, you can, that's up to you, but I want you to listen carefully. And maybe you might see a video of it and have a look at all the different instruments. See if you can have a discussion about it. What do you like? What do you not like? Things like that.